If you're experiencing sync issues with your Fortnite account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing outages or maintenance that could be affecting account synchronization. Step 2. Restart your device. Power off your gaming device or computer completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the sync issue. Step 3. Update Fortnite. Ensure that you have the latest version of Fortnite installed. Check for updates on your platform's store and install any available updates to ensure compatibility and performance. Step 4. Relink your accounts. If you have linked your Fortnite account to other platforms like PlayStation, Xbox, or Epic Games, try unlinking and then relinking these accounts. This can refresh the connection and resolve sync issues. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Epic Games support. Provide them with detailed information about your issue, including any error messages to receive tailored assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any sync issues with your Fortnite account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support teams.